Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is another rendition of Face Beat Friday where I am here to show you how I slayed this look, honey. How I gave you a look that looks like no other look, okay? Yes. If you are new to my channel, make sure you drop down below and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. You've missed too many already. We don't want you to miss any more, so go ahead and hit subscribe. Also, check out my past Face Beat Friday videos and my past videos. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. I am going to get on into this video. Before I do, really quick, I've used a plethora of new products, many of which came from my January Ipsy bag, so I'll also leave a link down below. If you have never joined Ipsy, I enjoy it. It is a monthly subscription, kind of like subscription to 5 products a month, 5 beauty products a month, like samples. Sometimes they give you samples, sometimes they give you like full sizes. Like this is a full size lip gloss, you know, or liner, you know, things like that. I enjoy it every time I try to get out. They pull me back in. This month they needed to pull me back in because I was on the fence, and now I'm happy. So y'all, make sure y'all tell me what y'all think about these products as well, and if you join Ipsy, make sure you use the link down below. And let's just jump on into the video. So I have been sitting here talking to y'all throughout this whole tutorial. I have been talking to y'all, okay? And then I just realized that my microphone was turned off. So all of the gems that I was giving you, they're just gone now. They're just not here. They're just gone. Just gone. So I'm gonna see if I can recreate a few of them. Let me give you a few of the moments. This glitter is everything. This glow, this highlight is life. I don't normally do lashes, but today this look called for lashes, so that's why I'm giving them to you. Not because I can't do them, but because sometimes it's a step I feel like I can skip. So normally I skip it, but not today. Today y'all deserve lashes, honey. Also, yeah, I used a lot of loose glitter. Y'all, I'm so sad. Like, I can't even. Like, I'm so sad that because I was giving y'all a good dialogue. I was really giving y'all life. I was really giving a good dialogue, and now it's all gone. So we'll try again another day. We will try again another day, because I can't repeat this magic, honey. It was magic. I was giving magic. I was feeling the flow. I was feeling it, and it's gone. It's not here. So y'all get these last few minutes with me. Lastly, I've done this whole look and talked to my entire self. But lastly, we're going to do these lips. For my lips, I'm going to use another new product that I just got. Again, by Juvia's Place, because I love them. And it is their Mora matte. It came in two. You have the matte and you also have the metallic. I'm going to use the matte, and then I'm going to use my new lip gloss, Bella in Argent, on top of it. And if you're not using a lip primer, you are doing yourself a disservice, because they are amazing. Even my husband knows. He's like, because when I kiss him, he's like, did you use the lip stuff? You know, he doesn't know exactly what it is, but he's like, did you use the lip stuff? Because it does not move. You know, the lipstick does not move. It definitely lasts. I'm going to use Current lip liner by MAC. And if you're not using the lip liner, you're doing yourself a disservice. You know, it just makes everything look crisp, especially when you're using a liquid. I don't know, am I too matchy? Am I too purpley? Meanwhile, I got all this purple on and I'm wearing pink. All this purple, as if this is matching what I'm wearing, and it's not. This is just her own moment. I think it's dried down pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and use that new lip liner that I have. And, I like it matte, but I said I was going to use this liner, so this gloss, so I'm using it. But I like the color matte. And it also has a metallic. It's a two-part kit, so it has the matte and the metallic, and I'm being counterproductive by putting this lip gloss on top of the matte, but I'm doing it anyway. Who gonna check me, boo? Exactly, nobody. I do like this lip gloss, the way it feels. I like a sticky lip gloss. Also, for the products that I used today from my Ipsy bag, let's just give like a quick recap and review. Lip Lure Gloss. I think the gloss is good. I like the consistency of it. Y'all just gonna let me have makeup on my teeth, huh? Like the consistency of it. It feels good. It feels enriching. I think I would definitely. It's a clear, so I don't know how it looks just straight clear, but it's fine. It's a great gloss to go on top. I think it's doing a good job with this lip liner. With this lip stick. There it is. So I would definitely give this a 5 out of 5. I'm not super like mad about it. Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation. I did not know what I would think about it when I first started. I don't think it's like, again, I'm spoiled by Fenty and just how it perfectly matches me, but I think this is pretty good, especially once, you know, I start putting my foundation on, and once I put my concealers and blushes and highlights, and, you know, once you start building on the face, I think it did a good job. I think it looks good. I'm not seeing like a whole bunch of cracking. I think that it feels nice for it to be a full foundation. It doesn't feel cakey. So I would definitely give this a 4 out of 5, just because it's not my perfect shade, but it's close enough. So a 4 out of 5. The Ico London I Do liquid liner. I like this. I don't always love the felt tips. That's just not my personal preference when I'm picking a liquid liner, but I do like this liner. I thought it was nice. I just don't, felt tips don't give me as much precision as I like, but it is very black. It seems like I did that swatch earlier. It is still on, you guys. Like, it has not moved at all, so that's really good in a liner. So for that, I will give it a 5 out of 5, even though I don't like the felt tip, but it definitely has its purpose. I think it did good. I think my wings look nice, so I have no problem with it. 5 out of 5. The Ella Eden shadow, and now on first looking at it, for some reason I thought it would have more shimmer than it does. It definitely does not have a lot of shimmer, but it's fine. I still think it's a pretty color. It reminds me of Cranberry by MAC. It's kind of like reminiscent of that color to me, which was one of my favorite colors in college. So this, you know, it's bringing back some memories. I like it. I think it looked good. I think it had great consistency. It moved well, transitioned well. So I will definitely give this one a 5 out of 5. And those were all the products I used out of my Ipsy bag this month. So overall, I think this was a very good Ipsy bag. Again, like I said, every time I'm like, I'm getting rid of this, I am canceling the subscription, they pull me right back in. Alright, you guys, so this is it. This is the final look. Yes. Ooh, surface. Yes. Ooh, give it. Yes. Work. Ooh. I hope y'all enjoyed this this tutorial, y'all. I gotta stop swinging in this chair. I love this chair, y'all. I'm just like but I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Please tell me what you think about it. Please drop down in the comments and tell me what you like, what you didn't like, what you would change, what you wouldn't change, what you're going to try at home. I used a lot of new products. I will try to leave some links down below. I'm not going to guarantee it, but I'll try. Also, if you have not checked out my last video, which was on watercolor dyeing a wig, make sure y'all go and hit that. I'll leave a link up here as well as a link down below. Make sure y'all are here every Friday for Face Beat Friday, honey. Yes, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.